Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here with just a fun share today. I received this box from the Home Depot. This video is not sponsored and they did not ask me to do this, but I really thought this would be fun to share, so let's jump right in. So friends, you know over the years that I have worked with the Home Depot in my home on different campaigns, and we have had a lot of fun together. And one thing that they did last month was they sent me this Black History Month box, and it is so awesome. I want to take you through and unbox it with you and show you the items in it, because everything curated for this box from the Home Depot was from Black-owned businesses. And I'm really excited to share with you what was included in the box. They did a beautiful job with the box, by the way. So when you open the box, it has a wonderful, kind message. It talks about how the Home Depot, they wanted to take the time to celebrate Black History Month and to invest in small Black-owned businesses. And so everything in the box is from small Black-owned businesses. So that is just super awesome. And so I want to take you through and I want to share with you all of the things are in the box and all of the companies that are included in the box. So they'll all be listed down in the description box below also. And I want to say a huge thank you to the Home Depot for this. It really was just something that brightened my day. So I enjoyed that. So now let's dig into this box. So friends, I was like a kid in a candy store when I opened the box. I couldn't wait to dig in and see all of the neat finds. And I love things from small business owners. Those are when you get the best things. They really put a lot of effort into their products, and it just feels very kind of like they made it personally for you. But now, digging in the box, the first thing that caught my eye was this card. And I didn't know about this about the Home Depot, but I love it. They have a grant program called Retool Your School Campus Improvement Grant. And the purpose is to upgrade the campuses of HBCUs. And I thought that this was awesome. They actually have a $1 million commitment to HBCUs this year. Then when you turn the card over, it just tells a little bit of just a little bit about historically Black colleges and universities. So it's really a neat card. So I will be holding on to this. So the next thing that really caught my eye was this book. It's just a beautiful, vibrant pink and hot pink and orange, which those colors are awesome together. And the gold, you know, that kind of drew me in. But it says Words to Live By, and it's illustrated by Jade Purple Brown. It is a beautiful book on the exterior, but then when you open it, it's just inspirational. So what it is 50 inspiring quotes by 50 inspiring women, and women from all walks of life when you open it up, and I absolutely love it. We have people like Oprah Winfrey, we have, of course, Emily Dickinson, we have Aretha Franklin, we have Madam C.J. Walker, Dolly Parton, all kinds of women. And so it's just really a beautiful book, and everything is so colorful and inspiring. This is one of those books that I'm going to keep close to my desk so that when I come in the morning, you just flip to one page and you take a look, and it gives you a nice little motivational, inspirational boost for the day. So, I was loving this. I was so happy that this was in the box. This is beautiful. So the next thing that I grabbed out of the box was the Home Depot gift card, and it was a gift card for $20, and so that's a great kickstart with spring cleaning around the home. Definitely can go get some of those spring cleaning tidbits from the Home Depot that I need to get things done around the house, so thank you for that. So friends, of course, the next thing I grabbed for was the green burlap bag. You know, I am surprised this wasn't the first thing I grabbed because you all know one of my favorite colors is green. And this bag is from ecovibestyle.com. And you know, I couldn't wait to get into this. And I know I can reuse this bag. It is so cute. And so as I opened the bag, it had a little card in it. And I knew this was going to be something, I kind of figured it would be something that would be earthy. And I was right. And let me tell you, it is right on time, because Mike and I, we are getting ready to really get outside with our home. It's starting to warm up. The last few days have been so beautiful. And so we're really looking forward to doing a front porch makeover, a back patio makeover, the front yard. We just want to be outside. And especially after the year we've had, we're ready to get rolling. And so I had a feeling that this was going to be something as it relates to outside, knowing the Home Depot and this burlap bag it sold me on it. So it had this card in it. And then when I dug in, I was absolutely right. And it was the cutest little gardening tools, which are so cute, and the quality was amazing. And it was in this kind of copper tone. The actual metal part was like a copper, which is gorgeous, and then the handles were nice. So this is really great for that little bed out front. And even if you have an herb garden, you could even use this, but I definitely can use these out front. And I love that I have the little bag to keep them in. I think that that is so super cute. And I will be sure to put all of the companies down below and their websites down below so that you can check them out. But when I saw these I think I was super excited about, because the timing is so perfect, because we are really on that kind of we're in that mode of being outside and fixing up the exterior of our home. And so I think for all of us, even you in your home, you know, we've all been cooped up in the house all year. It's time to get outside and to really have fun gardening. And even if you're not good with plants and things like that, venture out and try it this year. You know, this is the year for adventure outside. Let's do it. And so digging into the box, the next thing I saw, and I immediately knew what it was, and it was some delicious looking tea from Just Add Honey. And so I hadn't heard of Just Add Honey before, but it's called justaddhoney.net. So friends, I have to tell you a few things that I like about this tea company without even drinking the tea yet. One is the packaging. I love that they put them in these pouches because it makes it easy to take on the go. And the other thing that I love is the label, because it is so engaging. One, they tell you the caffeine content of your tea, whether it's medium, high, you know, and so the black coconut is a medium caffeine, and then the Just Black and the Rise Up are high, and then the Lapsang is also a medium. The other thing I like is on the label, it tells you the region where the tea comes from, and also the ingredients and the brewing instructions. So they pack in a lot on the label that's just really engaging. So my eyes went right to that. So just check them out, justaddhoney.net, and I'll link again, I keep saying that, but I will link all of the companies down below for you to check out. So I'm excited to jump in with that tea. So the next thing I got in the box was this cute hat, and it says support Black colleges. Perfect timing, because this hat is going to get plenty of use as I work in the yard to keep the sun out my eyes. So it's a hat with a great message, and I'm going to get great use out of it this spring. So friends, as I started to unwrap the next item, I kind of figured it was a candle, and I was excited. You can't go wrong with a candle, not with me anyway. And this candle is from a company called Elon Wick Candle Company. Again, I'll link it below. And the name of the candle is Laundry Day. And friends, it is so fitting for me because it is lemon and cotton scent. How many times this past week have I talked about me loving lemon in my kitchen? And so this could not be more timely. And so I am loving the scent. It smells heavenly. Now, the next thing that was in the box that I found actually came from the Just Add Honey. It was the honey sticks. And so somehow I didn't grab those with the honey, but there were honey sticks in there with that. So I will be using that to complement my tea, along with they have some filters in here for me. So they're making sure that I am taken care of. I can light my candle by the Elon Wick Company. I have my tea from Just Add Honey. I have my Support Black Colleges hat, and I am ready for the spring, guys. This box has gotten me ready for the spring. And so the next thing that was in there, I wasn't quite sure what this is. At first I thought coffee mug, but then I was like, oh no, it is a planter. How cute is this? It says Black with Plants, and it's from a company called Plant Economy. And you have to go to the website to see all of their planners. They have the cutest selection of little planners. They're really cute. And their products are, for the purpose of encouraging wellness and prosperity. And so really a neat company. And again, I will link them below. So friends, I hope you've enjoyed seeing the little gift that I got from the Home Depot. And I want to say a huge thanks to them for sending this to me. I really had a blast opening it and experiencing all of the products from these small Black-owned businesses. And I hope you all will go out and support. Have a beautiful day, my friends. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.